Hello guys, Oscar Hotel 8 Sierra Tango November Julian here for Off-Grid Hamradio. Hey, I've got something to show you, something special, an accessory for the ICOM IC-705. This is a Go kit from Windcamp for the ICOM IC-705. It allows me to place the radio with or without a cage. It allows me to use the AH705 antenna tuner. It allows me to use a Power Queen 6 amp hour lithium iron phosphate battery. And to power that battery, I've got my Geneson GV Boost charge controller. I wouldn't normally use the GV Boost. I would use the GV5 or GV10, but this is just for show and tell. So this allows you to get everything for the ICOM IC-705 in a shoulder bag or a shoulder Go kit with everything inside, easy to carry and easy to deploy. Now, one of the nice things about the ICOM IC-705 inside this bag is it can operate while in the bag. So we can operate the tuner. We've got the battery plugged into the ICOM IC-705. We've got a coaxial cable coming out of the bag. And again, this is just show and tell. I wouldn't normally use these, but that's what I have for the moment. I've got my power cable coming out of solar cable coming out of the bag so that I can plug in a solar panel and charge everything up if I like. Now the zippers on the bag can go in two directions. So you can close the zipper but still allow the coaxial cable or the solar power cable to come out of the bag, but still keep it closed. If you have one of the radios that fits this bag, or if you're having some overheating issues, you can open up this top compartment and leave that open to get some ventilation if you like. I haven't had any problems so far. So I normally keep it closed. Stop dust from things like that from getting inside. Now I can also bring the antenna cable out from here, which is a nice touch. But more importantly, for the data operators, we have access panels for the side ports of the radio, both sides. So we can get access to the ground, we can get access to the antenna cable, we can get access to the ports, or we can close those up if we don't need any access. They can also open up for ventilation if we need. So here you can see a side-by-side view now. We've got the ICOM IC-705 in the Windcamp cage. I guess it's called the ARC 705. We've got the AH705 antenna tuner. We've got a 6 amp hour Power Queen lithium iron phosphate battery. And we've got a Geneson MPPT charge controller keeping that Power Queen battery topped up. Now next to that you can see the Go Bag. And this is exactly the way I have it set up inside the Go Bag. Of course, it's more laid out now, so you can more easily see what's going on inside the bag. But everything fits inside that bag. In addition to that, there's also room for 3 dipoles. So that's not bad. Now, there's no room in the bag for example, my Microsoft Surface or my iPad. That's okay, because we do have MOLLE webbing on the outside of the bag that allows us to attach smaller pouches and things like that. I don't know if I would do that. I'm pretty satisfied with the way things are, and I wouldn't want the bag to be any bigger. So I think we'll just leave it as it is. Now, it also works with the POV mounts cage, both of them, with or without the cage. Um, but someone asked me, there's an Italian cage. I guess it's a 3D printed one. I forget who's making that. Forgive me. But I'm not sure if it fits with that one because I don't have that cage, but I would be happy to check and test if someone would be willing to send one to me.
Echo Mike Tango. Echo Mike Tango. Echo Mike Tango. Good evening from the south of the Netherlands. Mike Tango, what is your port? Third time. 9 America Foxtrot. Papa Delta 1, Echo Mike Tango 5-5. Thank you, QRZ.
I'm going to leave some links in the description for Amazon and eBay. You can say thanks or send regards to Windcamp for sending this over. It's actually incredibly cool. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. 73. Ciao.